Welcome back to another Java tutorial, and today we're going to be calculating how many calories someone will burn based on their age, their weight, their heart rate, and however long their workout is. So we're going to write a program in Java that's going to ask the user for age, their weight, their heart rate, and however long they worked out, and then we're going to calculate the calories burned. So let's start doing that. So in order for us to do that, we need a way to get user input. So we could say scanner scnr equals new scanner system.in. So we're just making an object of the scanner class. Normally, if I didn't have this imported, we would get an error, so let me get rid of it. So we're getting an error right here because we need to import java.util scanner, so this would work. Okay, once we import that, the error is gone. Okay, and I'm in a class called example, and we're going to be writing all our code inside the main method, which would be in these little curly brackets. Okay, now we have a way to get user input, but now we need to actually have variables so we can store the input into. So we could say int, we need an age variable, so we could do int age. And then we need a weight variable, so we could do int weight. And then a heart rate variable, so we could do int, I'm just going to, HR stands for heart rate, I don't want to type all that out. And then we could do int time. Okay, now that we have that, we actually need to ask the user for user input. And the way we could do that, we could say int age equals scnr, that's what we call the scanner object. And then dot next int. So I'm on Eclipse, so it'll auto-complete it for me. Just remember, scanner was the name of our object. It could be named anything. And then dot next int, it's asking the user to enter an integer. So if I enter like 5, that 5 will be stored inside of age, which is an integer variable. So after all that, we just have to do it to all the other variables, so we can get user input for all of them. Okay. Now that we have that, we can literally just plug our variables into this formula I found. So let's actually do that. So we made these variables integers, but we don't want to make like our formula an integer, because an integer is like a whole number, and we really can't do any math on it. We can, but once we start dividing, we won't get precise results. So we can make it a double. Because a double, you actually have like a decimal point in numbers after it. Like a whole number is like an integer, like 10, 5, 7, that's a whole number. But a double could be 10, 5, 7, or it could be like pi 3.14 all the way up to whatever numbers. It could be e. So it's more precise when we divide it. So we're going to be making a double, and then we'll just call it we'll call it calories, just like the actual formula. So it wants age. I'm just going to copy your word for word age. Whatever the user inputs for age, it will be stored in there. Times, and in programming, at least in Java, you can't use the X like in math. You have to use a little star. Okay, so we have this first part of the equation, and then we're going to add weight, and then times that number. I'm just going to copy and paste it. Okay, so we have that next part, and then we're going to do another addition sign, and then heart rate. Which in this case I named HR because I don't want to type it out. Heart rate times this big number, or this long number. It's not really a big number, and then I'm gonna do a minus this number, and then we're gonna multiply that by time and divide it by 8.368. And everything I'm doing is just in this formula right here. Okay. So we have our variable, which is a double, which stores how many calories someone burns based off user input. Now we just have to print it. We could do sys.out, which is just short for System.out.print new line in Eclipse. And we could say, I'm going to copy it from right here, calories burned. And then we could do plus, and where's our variable calories? So if we rerun this, it will work. It will give us the right output, but it won't look as good. We can make the program look better. So first we're asking for an age. I'm 23. I weigh 210. Let me get back in the gym. And then my, what was HR again? Heart rate. I think 80 is normal. I don't really know about heart rate. And we'll say time worked out, 60 minutes, 1 hour. And then I burn 172 calories with this big long number. So we could actually make that look better. We could actually format that calories variable. So we're going to do System.out.printf. So we're used to printing a new line or just printing. We're going to do printf, which stands for print format. because we want to format this big long number, so there's only like 2 numbers after the decimal point. So it looks actually like in something like actual like a professional did. So the way we could do that, we could use this percentage sign and say .2f. So this is telling the computer like, hey, format this this variable right here 2 spaces after the decimal point. .2f. Just remember that. And then we're gonna do like a comma, not like a plus, and then we're gonna tell like the computer what to format. In this case, it would be calories. Now, if we run that, it still won't look like the way we want it to. We could do 23, and my weight 210, and then my heart rate was 80, and then I worked out for 60 minutes. It's still not gonna be on the same line because we have so now it's formatted, but it still won't be on the same line because we have print ln, which stands for new line. If we want them to be together, we get rid of the ln and just have the print statement. Now if we run it, it's going to ask 23, and then weight, 210, and then heart rate, and then time. And also calories burned, and then however many calories are burned. But I kind of get confused, like what's it asking me? So I'm just going to like make the program a little better. We could say System.out.print, and then we're going to ask the user, enter your weight. We'll put this on the top. So now I actually know what I'm entering. Enter your weight. And then we're going to copy and paste this. Oh, it should be enter your age. And then enter your weights. Make it capital so it looks good. And then we'll say enter your heart rate. I guess I am going to type it out. And then enter amount of time you worked out. And make it so it all looks good. And now if we run this program, it should be done. Enter your age, okay? 23. You see how like the age is not going like on the line next to it? That's because we have ln. So let's get rid of these new lines. And then the number would be next to it. And run that again. Enter your age, 23. Your weight, 210. Heart rate, we'll go 80. Enter the time you worked out. We'll do, let's do 120 minutes, 2 hours. And then my calories burned would be 344. When 344.30. And that's it. And if you guys, if this helped you at all, leave a like and subscribe. Let me put the program back on screen.